got tired of sitting. Let's see what's down here. And he went and changed his tire quick. C8. This why I should just wait. Because if I get that one, I'm going to want this. What you think? Got the red seats in there. Watch it just wait. Huh? You like C8? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Instead of getting that Z06. Drop top. Hey, this is my man who hey, that's how you do it, just blow out a tire and just throw another one right back on there? Yeah. Like it ain't nothing?
Man, I ain't gonna lie. If I ain't get them motherfuckers for free.
Oh, for free? You was out there cutting. Hey, when you hit it backwards, that killed me. I said, oh, he ain't going backwards, is he?
Yeah, man. I ain't have
Did you win?
Yeah, I won.
I know. Yeah, I knew it. I knew you won.
I had that switch still turned on. I was gonna reverse it and then just slide it back.
Uh-huh.
But I'm like, hey, it worked like that. Damn.
Man. Oh, you was killing it. Yes, sir. Man said, come on, y'all in the show or y'all just parked? Ooh, look at that Chevelle. Look at that. Supercharger. God, dog. He's serious about it, ain't he? He ain't playing. He said, come on. He said, let me catch you at the red light. Pull up on him. Pull up on him at the red light. Man. Damn red light killer. We about to get ready to let me see what he's putting on that car. Let me see that. A flyer to a show?
Yeah, I got a big. I only got the big ones. I done ran out.
You got any more?
Yeah, I got some big ones.
Get one from me. Oh, this you? You, I be seeing you on the Instagram with the little man all the time.
Oh, my son.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's my son right there. We 269. We be
Oh, that's you.
yeah, that's
okay,
me. Yeah. I like this. Hey, look better, and when you see it in person, man, the video don't be doing this thing justice when I be looking at it on there. Look at that paint job. Is that gold? Rose. Yeah. Oh. Nice meeting you, man.
So, those are the kind of nice to finally meet you.
Yes, I ain't broke. Like this. I knew I was gonna see it one day. And yeah. Look even better. That Suburban is clean. Ain't that Suburban clean? Suburban is nice. Hey, we about to get up out of here. 269 class and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. We gone. Out.